Okay, hey guys, it's our last day in Tangier.
Yes.
We're all packed up. We're all packed up. This is the room. We wanted to do a quick room Tangier review before we leave. So this is the room. The place is called DIAFA. DIAFA.
DIAFA.
It's near the one of the king's palaces. Do you know how to explain to people how to find it? There's no sign on the door.
Yeah, I think we're gonna make a quick shot of the door so
Yeah.
you can recognize it, because it's not easy to find. And now we're having someone at the door.
We're having a guest. So
Hi, good
good morning. Good morning. Hello. Our wonderful, wonderful, wonderful host that I'm not going to show her because she doesn't want us to, right?
Okay.
It's okay. I'll just talk about you. I won't show you. Okay? I won't show you. She's amazing. Her name is... No names. If they come, they know. The name is okay? Okay. Her name is Yousra, and she's amazing. The best host in Morocco. Now, the room is amazing. It's a huge room. It's a huge room. And we have a terrace, a patio, which is very big. Yeah, it's very big. You can hang clothes here. It's very nice. She just brought us breakfast. She brought us breakfast yesterday as well. She's amazing. You have the toilet here. Basic, very basic, but functional. Does exactly what she needed to do. And we paid here 90 euros for 3 nights, which is 30 euros a night. And that includes the tourist tax, €1 per person that you need to pay. Okay, so this is the room. And we're going to show you a shot of the door when we leave. So if you do decide to come here at DIAFA, you'll be able to find it a bit easier. Okay guys, now about Tangier. Tangier is an amazing place. The people are really nice. Everybody always smiles, always chill. There are a lot of places to relax, parks, places to drink tea, to just relax and enjoy the sights. There's a lot of things to see here, a lot of things to do here. I think 4 days is enough, but if you stay longer, it's also, there are more things to do here. As far as prices, dinner for 2 people costs about 10 to 15 euros. It really depends what you eat. If you go to a tourist area, you'll pay closer to the 30 euro mark for 2 people, but it really depends where you go. I recommend going to where you see a lot of local Moroccans sitting. That will be the best and the cheapest, and that's what we've done in the last day, yesterday, and it was great, and no complaints. Taxis, we haven't used them so much, but it's about 1 to 6 euros depending on the distance. Now we are going to the bus station, which is fairly far away, and we're going to pay about 5 euros to get there. But it's about 18-minute ride in the car, so 5 euros, I think it's good for that type of ride. Other than that, yeah, I think that's it. If you come here, you'll find out a bit some more about this amazing place. 100% recommended. People are very nice, no matter what nationality you are, what race you are, what gender you are. It doesn't matter, they accept everybody. So I can do nothing but recommend to come to Tangier and to come to DIAFA if you are here. Hopefully, if you do try to book a room here, they'll have rooms available. Sometimes she's full. Okay, so we'll see you on our next destination, which we're not going to tell you where that is. We might have said it in previous videos, so you can go back and check. Anyway, if you like what you see, subscribe, like, comment, and join us. We're having a lot of fun. Okay, guys. Bye.